dropping into this moment.
Here in Miami, Florida, for one of my favorite festivals in the world, ArtWithMe.
So the idea is get out of the maze of your mind and into the present, into the moment, connected with everybody else, and enjoy art and life together.
And by reducing their fear and trauma, increase their capacity for love. That's why it's called the Love Machine. Artists are always people that push the boundaries of what is acceptable, what is not. So they reflect the society that they swim in, but they also move that society along.
Paintings, sculptures, photographs, and even digital art are all on display and for sale.
Life is beautiful, peace and love.
And for you guys, what is art? Why do humans do art?
Like life.
Go ahead, baby. Rock out. Of the party scene right here in South Florida.
You know us here in South Florida, we love to party. There's been different events every evening, and it's just great to have everybody back here.
If you wanna switch